Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. I am Krishna Madrewar. We'll discuss today on profit and loss part 2. In case of profit and loss part 1, we have discussed the terminologies, that is basic terminologies behind the profit and loss, the basic terms and the basic equations and the formulas that we have discussed. In this part 2, we are going to discuss a simple way to calculate such type of problems in which the SP of 5 pence is equal to CP of 4 pence, like that. Okay, now we will have the two methods to calculate the answer. Okay, so first of all we will see how to calculate the answer by using the first method. Right now, if SP of 5 pence is equal to CP of 4 pence, find profit and loss. We don't get the idea behind the statement. First of all, we'll see that if CP of 4 pence, right? So we'll write like that is CP of 1 pence equal to 1 rupees. Just consider for this, that is CP of 4 pence, then CP of 4 pence equal to what? 4 rupees, right? Then CP of 5 pence equal to what? 5 rupees. Cost price of 1 pen 1 rupees, cost price of 4 pen 4 rupees, then cost price of 5 pen equal to 5 rupees, right? Then what will be the SP of 5 pen? They have given the SP of 5 pen is equal to CP of 4 pen. That is, what is the CP of 4 pen? That is 4 rupees. So it will be 4 rupees, right? So these both terms we have to concentrate, right? So what is SCP? That is 5. And what is SP? SP is what? 4. If CP is greater as compared to SP, then always loss will be occurred in this case, right? So here we will write, so loss percent is equal to CP minus SP upon what? CP multiplied by 100. So what is CP? That is CP is 5. What is SP? SP is 4 divided by what is CP? CP is 5 multiplied by 100. Okay. So here we can write that is 1 by 5 into 100. So it will be what? 5, 2 and 0. It will be 20% loss. So loss percent will be 20%. So this will be my answer for this question. Now see the second method to calculate the same question. Okay. Now we will see the second method for the same question. What they have said, that is SP of 5 pen, right? So 5 SP is equal to how many CP equal to? CP of 4 pens, that is 4 CP, right? So we can write SP upon CP is equal to 4 upon 5, right? Now we can say that what is SP? That is 4. What is CP? That is 5. Here CP is greater than SP, so loss will be occurred. Okay, so we can calculate loss percent is equal to what? The formula CP minus SP upon CP multiplied by 100. Okay, so what is CP? 5. What is SP? 4 upon 4 multiplied by 100. What is CP over here? That is 5. Sorry, it will be 5. Okay, so you can write that is 1 by 5 multiplied by 100 equal to what? 20%. The answer will be same. You can use either first method or second method to calculate the answer. Now we'll see the second problem, that is CP of 21 article is equal to SP of 18 articles. What they have given? 21 CP, right? 21 CP is equal to what? SP of 18 articles, right? 18 articles SP, right? Now we have to find the gain or loss. Now we will decide whether the gain will be there or loss will be there depending on this equation. So we will write CP upon SP is equal to what? 18 upon 21. Here SP is 21, CP is 18. So we can write SP is greater than CP, then it will be what? Profit. Profit means what? Gain. So we can write over here that the gain percent or the profit percent is equal to profit divided by CP multiplied by 100 equal to, what is profit? We know that profit is given by SP minus CP. What is SP? 21. What is CP? That is 18. So divided by CP. CP is what? 18. So multiplied by 100. So we can write over here 21 minus 18, that is 3, divided by 18 multiplied by 100. Okay. So 3 ones are 3 6 are. So we can write here 6 ones are 4 is remaining. 6 6 are 4 is remaining again 40. 6 6 are 6 6 are. So 16.67, we can round off it, right? This will be the profit percent for my question. Okay. Now we'll see third question, that is, while selling a 5 balls, a shopkeeper gets profit equal to SP of 2 balls, right? We don't get the idea behind this sentence, then go roughly, that is, while selling a 5 balls means 5 SP, right, equal to, gets profit equal to SP of 2 balls. Profit means what? Yes, tell me. Profit means what? CP plus something, right? That is, what is CP? That is 5 balls of CP, right? CP of 5 balls plus it will get profit equal to what? SP of 2 balls. That is, we can write here SP of 2 balls. This will be the sentence, that when a shopkeeper sells 5 balls at the time, he get a profit of 2 SP, that is selling price of 2 balls he will get. That is, in addition to cost price of 5 balls, he get SP of 2 balls. So this will be the equation, right? This will be the important equation, and this type of problems can be asked in your examinations. This is very important question. Okay. So we will modify this equation, that is 5 SP minus 2 SP equal to 5 CP. So 5 minus 2, that is 3 SP, is equal to 5 CP. So SP upon CP is equal to 5 divided by 3, right? Here SP is 5 and CP is 3. So SP is greater than what? CP, means what? Profit will be there, right? So we can calculate the percentage profit over here. The profit percent is equal to SP minus CP divided by CP multiplied by 100. What is SP over here? That is 5. What is CP? CP is 3, right? Divided by CP. What is CP? That is 3 multiplied by 100. So we can write over here that 2 upon 3 multiplied by 100. That is, we know that 100 upon 3 is what? 33.33. So we can write 2 into 33.33. So our answer will be 66.66%. Or we can write, that is 66.67% also. It will be a right one. Okay. So for more such type of videos, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Thank you.